Hello, in this video I would like to introduce the course Thinking About Care. This course focuses on the idea of care and what it means to care for others in thoughtful, ethical and responsible way. It explores care not only in the health and psychology but also in everyday relationship and society. At the beginning of the course, students learn what care really means. Care is not only about helping or fixing problems. It also includes listening, understanding and respecting the needs of the others. The course encourage students to think deeply about how care is given and received. An important part of the course focuses on ethical questions. Students are asked to think about responsibility, power, and fairness in caring relationship. For example, the course discusses who decides what is the best someone and how care and sometimes help it also control or limit others. The course also looks at the care in different contexts. This includes care in healthcare settings, mental health services, family and communities. Students learn how social, cultural and economic factors influence the why care is provided. Another key topic is empathy and understanding. The course highlights the importance of seeing situation from another person's perspective. It encourages students to reflect on their own values and attitudes toward care. Throughout the course, students are invited to reflect, discuss, and question their own ideas. The goal is not to give simple answers, but to help students develop critical and compassionate way of to think about care. In summary, Thinking About Care is a reflective and thought-provoking course. It helps students better understand the meaning of care and supports more ethical, respectful, and human-centered approach in both professional and personal life.